In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a minimum order amount in Shopify using the updated tutorial for 2025. This process is essential if you're looking to set purchase limits for your products, ensuring better control over your sales strategy. Let's dive right into it. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to Shopify and open your store's main admin page. This is where you'll find all the settings and tools you need. Once there, just look to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Settings. It's the central hub for adjusting how your store functions. After opening Settings, keep your eye out for the Apps and Sales Channels option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, within the Apps section, you will need to visit the Shopify App Store. This is where you can find various applications to enhance your Shopify experience. Once there, search for the app called OC Quantity Breaks Order Limit. This app is designed specifically to help you manage order quantities efficiently. After locating the appropriate app, the next step is to click on Install. You'll follow the prompts to authorize and add the app to your Shopify. Once the app is successfully installed, locate the Limit Purchase section on the app's management page. This is the area where you can set specific limitations for the products you sell. Now, the app will give you the option to add a product with a limit. If you wish to apply these settings to just one product, choose single product. Alternatively, if these rules need to be applied to multiple products, select many products. You should then click on the Browse button. This will open a list of all your products and you can choose which ones you'd like to apply the order limits to. Once you have made your selections, hit the Add button. Now it's time to set the actual limits. You will see options to define both a minimum purchase limit and a maximum purchase limit for the selected products. Enter the desired values as per your sales strategy. Setting a limit can encourage larger purchases, prevent stockouts, or simply improve your profit margins. When you're satisfied with the values entered, click Save to apply these settings. With the limit saved, you need to ensure that the app is activated within your store. Go back to the main menu of your app and look for the option called OC Quantity Breaks and Limit. Click on Activate to ensure that these changes take effect on your storefront. And with that final step, make sure to click Save once more to conclude the setting up process. You're now all set with a minimum order amount on your Shopify store. This tool can be incredibly useful for managing your store efficiently and strategically. Thank you for watching and good luck with your Shopify sales.